Hi, my name is Camila, and I'm a second-year student here in the biomedical program. So our program is very interactive, where we're really implementing our hands-on skills. So whether that's taking CPR, taking vitals, sutures, even creating 3D human body system models, and even participating in really insightful events such as blood drives. And these are all things and skills that we will eventually encounter in our future careers in the healthcare pathway. And one of the things I really love about this program is that we're learning about the variety of careers that there are in healthcare because it's such a broad field. So whether that's learning about the career of an epidemiologist, of a genetic counselor, of an ultrasound technician, of a neurologist, anesthesiologist, the list goes on really. Despite these professions having different duties and different roles, they all share the same goal, and that goal is to ultimately help people in our communities.
Hi, my name is Belinda Acosta. I am in my third year of the biomedical program. The biomedical program has helped me throughout the 3 years because they show me the different interventions in the biomedical and has helped me just interact more in hands-on experiences. And it also gave me the opportunity to start volunteering at St. Francis. One thing that also makes a really big impact in this program is our instructor, Ms. Bejarano. She has made this almost 2 years, 3 years very enjoyable. She challenges us but also helps us in a way of where we're learning. And although this program is very difficult at times and challenging, it just really gives us a hands-on experience and how it shows us how it would be in real-life scenarios. I want to pursue being a fertility nurse, and in the hospital I am volunteering in the NICU, so it's really shown me how it's going to be if I pursue that career.
What I love about the biomedical science pathway is that it gives the students a glimpse of different careers in the medical field, ranging from nursing to clinical lab scientists. The main thing I think for them to take away from this course is giving them an idea of what they want to do in the future, because there's much more than just nurses and doctors. There's a whole bunch of people in the medical field that help treat patients on a daily basis. And the main thing too would be for them to learn how to manage their time, how to be wonderful individuals who are caring and exude empathy to others, and always place themselves in others' shoes so that they can offer the best care possible to people.